Have you ever experienced a strange moment where everything feels familiar, as if you have already lived through it before, even though you know it is happening for the first time? You may be talking to someone, walking into a place, or hearing a sentence, and suddenly you feel a strong sense of familiarity, as if this exact moment has already happened in your life. This feeling is known as déjà vu, a French term that means already seen, and it is something that many people experience at least once in their lives. But what exactly is déjà vu, and why does it feel so real? One of the most interesting things about déjà vu is how sudden and powerful it is. It often appears without warning, lasts only a few seconds, and then quickly fades away, leaving behind a feeling of confusion and curiosity. During this moment, your brain seems to pick up on something that feels deeply familiar, even though you cannot clearly remember when or where it happened. This creates a strange experience where your mind feels certain, but your memory cannot fully explain it. Scientists have tried to figure out what causes déjà vu, and one common explanation is that it is connected to the brain's memory system. According to this idea, déjà vu happens when there is a small delay in how the brain processes information. For example, one part of the brain may receive information slightly earlier than another part, which makes the second part feel as if it is seeing something again. In this way, the brain may accidentally create a false sense of memory. Another explanation suggests that déjà vu may happen when your brain connects a current situation to a past memory that is similar, even if you do not clearly remember it. For example, a place, a smell, or a sound may remind you of something from the past, and your brain quickly links it to that memory. Because this process happens so fast, you may not realize where the feeling comes from, and it feels like the moment has already happened before. However, not everyone believes that déjà vu is only a simple brain process. Some people suggest more mysterious ideas. They believe déjà vu could be connected to hidden memories, parallel realities, or even the idea that time is not as simple as we think. According to these theories, déjà vu might be a moment where your mind briefly picks up on something beyond normal experience. There are also people who believe déjà vu is connected to the idea of past lives. They suggest that these moments may be small pieces of memory from another life appearing for just a short time. Although there is no clear scientific proof, these ideas continue to come up in discussions because of how real and powerful the experience feels. Even today, déjà vu remains a mystery. Scientists continue to study it, but they have not fully figured out why it happens or why it feels so convincing. What makes déjà vu so interesting is not only the experience itself, but also the questions it raises about memory, time, and the human mind. So, what do you think? Is déjà vu simply a small error in the brain, or is it a sign of something deeper that we do not yet understand? The next time you experience déjà vu, you may stop and ask yourself one simple question. Have you really lived this moment before, or is your mind just playing a very convincing trick?